okay.
Take two of cheating bastards.
Part two, cheating ass bastards. I mean,
So what do we do? I mean, like in a situation where you love a man and you spend so much time and energy with him, and you find yourself in a situation where you're questioning the trust that you have with him. I mean, what do you do? Do you go looking to find out what's really going on, or do you sit back and just act like you don't feel the way you're really feeling?
well, I guess you would investigate. Find out a couple of things. I mean, men are stupid, naturally born dumb anyway. I mean, so I mean that's why women have usually higher IQs than men. You know what I mean? So I would just say that if you usually find a man that's cheating, find out, take time, get the cell phone bill, because usually they so dumb, the number's gonna be there some fucking where. I mean, or you can just you know, open up their text. Eventually, you'll find something. And definitely check their voicemail, because the motherfuckers are dumb. This is fucking dumb. Women are the smartest creatures on the planet.
And they don't get it. They still do not get
We're
it.
the smartest creatures on the planet. And a man still decides to play us some way, somehow. And you know what? Usually, if a woman's smarter than a man, which that's naturally, um, I mean, the only thing he could possibly do, I would say, is take his fucking money after that, because the next motherfucker's gonna do it too. So you might as well take his money and keep the one you got, because the next one's gonna do it. Better make sure you have some money too if you're cheating. Don't give away no free coochie. No free coochie. Coochie is not for free. If it's for free, it's not good.